PV Sindhu created history on Sunday by becoming the first Indian woman to win 2 Olympic medals. She capped off her Rio performance with a bronze medal in Tokyo, winning the bronze medal match against China's He Bingjiao in just 52 minutes. Sindhu dominated Bingjiao 21-13, 21-15 as she shook off the disappointment of losing the semi-final to Taiwan's Tai Tzu Ying on Saturday.
(21-15) in the second game, and it was done. PV Sindhu becoming an Olympic medalist for a second time, India's most successful women Olympian. The Hyderabadi won the crucial encounter 21-13, 21-15 with complete dominance across the court. Sindhu needed to start strong after a one-sided semi-final loss on Saturday to Tai Tzu Ying. The Indian ace was off the blocks immediately with a clutch of winners and took a 4-0 lead in the first game. Then she came out all guns blazing to settle the first game 21-13. The Chinese tried to corner her with superior net play, but there were far too many variations in Sindhu's arsenal to stop her from an eventual win. She became the third badminton medalist for India at Olympics. Now the ice cream moment with PM Modi awaits.
सब एक तरफ है, लेकिन जो एनकरेजमेंट हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने दिए हैं, बोले हैं कि सिंधु आप जाओ, आने के बाद हम आइसक्रीम खाएंगे, तो जरूर मेडल ले आई है, तो हम अभी सिंधु तो अभी जाके प्रधानमंत्री जी से आइसक्रीम खाएगी.
The celebrations have just begun. In New Delhi with Rika Roy, Joshua Chin for NDTV.
And here's what Sindhu said after her win. She said, "I'm on cloud 9. It makes me feel happy because I've worked hard for so many years. Had a lot of emotions going through me. Had to close off my emotions for this one match and give it my best. It's a proud moment getting a medal for my country." And NDTV's Rika and Vishnu spoke with Sindhu's father and sister.
Sir, many congratulations with Sindhu winning the bronze medal today. Your first reaction when you saw the final point?
I'm so happy today. Sindhu is the second medal in the Olympics, and it's not so easy for any of the athlete. So, and it's a record too, because women athlete in individual event, we're getting 2 medals consecutive, one after the other. We are so happy as the parents.
You've been her first coach. You have taken her through this period, such a long period of preparation. Tell us, what did you tell her yesterday? Because it was a very short recovery time between the last match she played against Tai Tzu and this match she played.
Yeah, no doubt, yesterday, though after losing, she was a bit, unhappy, and she had her tears in the eyes. But I told her, I motivated her, stating that it's not yet over, and still we have to play for the third medal. That's the bronze medal. So, getting a medal to the country is not easy at the Olympics. So, I just told her, be focused, keep calm, work hard, and I wish you are giving me a, gift today in a form of a bronze medal. So, I am so happy.
Being her father, being her coach, give us a sneak peek into Sindhu's psychology. How did she come back? And when she came back to the court, it seemed that she had completely gotten over all her disappointment from yesterday.
Yeah. Because, for a player, we need to, come back to our original state, after losing, again. They have to keep going, they have to practice again, they have to play a match. So it's a routine for a sports person. So forget about the losses, learn something from the losses, come prepared and go ahead. That's what I told her. So really, she has today played her the best game, and she has that victory.
And tell us, what was the standout moment of the match for you?
We were a bit tensed right in the beginning, because I know He Bingjiao is also a tricky player like Tai Tzu. But when you play a bit faster with He Bingjiao, then we'll have definitely the chance of winning against her. And moreover, He Bingjiao has played 2 3-setter matches yesterday and day before yesterday. And keeping in view of all these things, if we make her to move faster on the court,
Right.
definitely we'll have a winning edge. That's what I have told her. And she has maintained the pace and she got success.
Mr. Ramanna, he had a better head-to-head record against Sindhu. Did that matter during this match, or did both
Yeah.
of the girls go out with a clean slate to,
No, ma'am.
to get the bronze medal?
No, it doesn't matter at all. The head-to-head record will not be any issue here in the tournaments, because the day whoever plays, whoever gives their best, they will be the winner. And if you take Taizu in that point of view, even before playing World Championship or before playing last Olympics, Taizu has a better edge on Sindhu, but she has won on both the occasions. And yesterday it was not Sindhu's day, so she could not fare well yesterday. But today she has really given her best, and she could get this medal for the country.
Also, what stood out for me in the match was how Sindhu was able to get the better of her Chinese opponent in the net, because in the beginning the net play was very close, and it seemed that He Bingjiao was getting the better of Sindhu, but later Sindhu dominated her opponent even in the net play.
Net play in the sense, see, once you retrieve the shuttles, the net shuttles, if you retrieve, and definitely, the opponent also gets fed up, and that was what Sindhu has kept the shuttle in rallies, and she was waiting for an opportunity, and that made a little bit of, just troubling He Bingjiao and losing her patience.
Do you think that today He Bingjiao was completely outsmarted, or she gave the match to Sindhu because of the intensity that Sindhu showed on the court?
No, that's what she could, as like Taizu did not give any chance to Sindhu. So today Sindhu hasn't given any chance to He Bingjiao, because He Bingjiao is also equally good like Taizu, which is a deceptive game she has. So, and the strategy what yesterday Taizu maintained was not to lift the shuttle too high for Sindhu, because she is good in smashes. So this girl has given some opportunities for Sindhu, because she was bit tired on court.
Right.
And she has to lift high to come back to her original position after retrieving the shuttle. So once that height is getting for Sindhu, then because of his height and power, she has totally utilized it and got the points.
I'll ask you two quick questions before I let you go. One is, she has been maintaining this intensity, Sindhu, before Rio, now Rio to Tokyo, Tokyo to Paris. It's going to be a very long haul. How do you keep Sindhu motivated over this period, over 3 Olympic Games now?
No, see ma'am, it's for a player, they enjoy playing on the court. So it is not the matter of age, or it is not, because we need to keep ourselves fit, ensure that, keep going daily, work out, enjoy the game and come back. And I am confident, very much confident, age is not a factor, so I am confident that she will also play the next Olympics, Paris Olympics also. Before that, we need to focus on so many things, especially, keeping our ranking, the qualification ranking within our reach.
Right.
So we have to be in a best top 10 in the world. So playing some tournaments, all these things we have to prepare. Take one by one tournament each, and and I'm happy that coach has also given her all the tips, all the pain he has taken, and today we are so happy that we have got a bronze.
One final question. PM Modi had said
Thank
before
you,
the
ma'am.
team. PM Modi had said before the team departed that he wanted to have an ice cream with PV Sindhu. When is that moment happening?
So, बस अभी तो देश पूरा खुश है. Then Modi ji also will be, I think, might have watched Sindhu playing. So definitely, as he was encouraging all the sports persons, I think definitely Modi ji will invite her to have an ice cream with her.
Right, and very, very best of luck. All the best to you, sir, and all
Thank
the
you.
best to Sindhu. Enjoy this moment.
Thank you so much.